Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo mahasiswa Universitas Terbuka, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga Allah selalu memberikan kesehatan yang barokah kepada kita semua. Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are all in a good health. Welcome to the second sessions of the online tutorial. In this second sessions, you are going to learn about things in the office, basic writing mechanic, and writing descriptive paragraph. You can find this week's topic in Module 2. There are 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are able to identify vocabulary related to things around the office, write a descriptive paragraph or describe a place in English, and the last, implement the basic writing mechanics. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum too. Good luck, student. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.